So, how are we ending day number 1 of my Sunday to Sunday? Well, fireplace is going. It's not the proper pattern, so it could need a cleaning, but I'm not worrying about that tonight. Candlelight for when I turn the fire off, and yeah. A cup of tea. Well, I made tea and put it in this cup. Actually, it's green tea with ginger is exactly what I made up. And we made a bowl of popcorn. Oh yes, with salt and a bit of butter. Hell yeah. And yes, we're watching a movie by candlelight and soft light. And yes, is van life really that terrible? Hey, I'm enjoying it. It might be -2 outside, but you know what? Inside, I'm pretty warm. Heater, candlelight, popcorn, a movie. Day 1 is ending good. Okay, day 2, and it's actually a long weekend, Monday, holiday. In BC, it's called Family Day. So, part of Family Day is they have free swimming in the afternoon from noon till 5 o'clock here at the closest community center where I am. So I'm going to take advantage of the free swim. I'm going to count my money situation and see what I'm spending this week, because I haven't kept track of anything, and I'm kind of curious since I'm only working like 2 days a week this week. Yeah, other than that, I don't know if I agree very much with the terminology and wording of Family Day, or what they call the holiday here, because you know what? I see a lot of homeless every day here without family. And what about all the elders around that have lost all their family? I know my mom worked at a nursing home, and she says a lot of people in the nursing home don't even get visits from family members because there's none left. So wording could be better. Maybe they got to change the name of the holiday, but yeah, but I look at it a different way. I consider it, hey, just a day off. And hold it, I found something for some reason here. I don't know what that means. It's a mesilical connections. Collaboration between oyster mushrooms and this Renfrew ravine. I don't see any mushrooms here. I just see a bunch of gloves, so I don't know what this connection relates to. No clue. Anyways, whatever it is, it's kind of interesting little cache. Okay, day 3 has started out, not started out, but middle of the day, I guess, with, yep, that's right, more snow. Gee. So, Korean girl had messaged me today, and she asked, let's go to a movie this afternoon, because Tuesdays are cheap night. It's like $7 or something for the movie. So we went and watched a Korean movie with subtitles, which was actually a pretty good movie. But anyways, I don't feel like working on the van today because, yeah, like I said, snowing, and it's -1. So yeah, tomorrow's supposed to be +5 and partly sunny. So I think tonight we'll just charge the battery on my van, and then maybe we will just do some job searching. And tomorrow, yeah, we'll look at doing another test, proper voltage test on their alternator. And either that or it's in the line somewhere. And then we'll go from there, I guess. So, yeah. And coffee is ready, boys and girls. Day number 4 of my week. Wednesday, happy Wednesday. As I said, I'm waking up, making coffee, trying to get my eyes open. No heat on this morning. It's +3 out, which is about 40 Fahrenheit. And this is a little snack that Korean girl has provided me with. This is some kind of basted roast beef and yeah, chocolate cake. So, being a cheap bastard, I haven't spent a lot this week. I've spent exactly $22.10. So that was 2 McDonald's coffees and $20 for SkyTrain to take transit wherever I need to go. And I have been out a couple times this week. I went to a movie with Korean girl, however she paid on Tuesday. It's special night, it's like $7, so she wanted to see a movie before work, and I went to the coffee shop twice. Today I'm gonna spend a couple extra bucks. I'm gonna go out for the breakfast special with Wayne. Mind ya, by the time I get my ass in gear, it'll be lunchtime, so it'll be a late luncheon, and I have to recharge my battery because the battery is getting low. But anyways, we'll come back in a couple minutes. Okay, we're taking the big limo for lunch today. Wayne's taking us for lunch in the Albertan limo.
You got a tip?
It's a classic limo too, see? See, I'm limoing backwards. Sitting in my comfy chair. Feels like I'm going in reverse. The chauffeur's touring away. Off to lunch. Okay, stop for a quick coffee here, and holy shit, what are you doing serving coffee, sir?
You know what?
Look at Van Guys deliver you coffee. See? Look at this.
I'm your servant today.
Do you want a tip? Don't live in a van. Okay, day number 4 of my week. I ran a test on the alternator directly on the voltmeter, directly to the alternator, and yes, sure enough, I'm not getting any charge from the alternator. So even though it's about a year and 4 months old, it has failed. So I tried finding the bill to return it, but I can't find the bill. The only bill I found was my core return receipt. So that bill I'll take in and see what they can do. Actually, I'm not sure if that's a lifetime warranty alternator or not, because I bought a starter also, so it might be the starter that's the lifetime warranty. I can't quite remember. So that is our situation. So tonight or tomorrow morning after I get off work, I'll take the alternator off and return it. And I think that is my issue, because I went directly from here, from the alternator wire. Yeah, I guess I can. Yeah, I went directly from the black alternator wire. I tested there. It's not showing any charge. I tested the alternator wire here at this bad connection. Same, nothing. And I tested my battery. No charge coming into the battery. So that's what my consensus is. So come back tomorrow and see the end of the story, maybe. Okay, so we're gonna end this video here by saying thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you got any comments, go ahead, comment section down below, comment away. I don't want to run this video too long, and if I keep going, it's gonna be long. So anyways, until next time, thanks for watching and cheers, and remember, stay awesome, guys.